You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names correctly and more medical terms, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more. Methylcobalamin. There's actually two different ways of pronouncing it. You can say it like I did, methylcobalamin, or it's also correct to pronounce it as methylcobalamin, methylcobalamin, or methylcobalamin. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful, appreciate your support, and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful, appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.